All right, boys and girls, this is your math overview for the week of February 8th through February 12th. So if we look at Monday's folder, we can see that we are going to continue our work in topic 12. So we are working on lessons 12.4 and 12.5 this week. So you'll need volume 2 in your math book so that you can follow along. And today we're going to work on adding fractions with the denominators of 10 and 100. So again, you're going to follow along on pages 457 to 458. And then on the following pages, you have a few independent practice problems. We do have an exit ticket located right here, and we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over those questions. On Tuesday, we will continue our work with decimals. This time, we are going to apply what we've learned about decimals to solve word problems that involve money. You're going to follow along on pages 461 to 463. You have a few independent practice problems, some word problems on 463 and 464. You do have a couple exit ticket questions, and we will meet at 2 o'clock. On Wednesday, this looks a little bit different. You do have 2 different videos. So you can see here, it's going to be really important that when you are clicking on these pages, they're all attached right down here. You see 4 of them, right? Like part 1, follow along, part 1, independent practice, part 2, part 2. So in the follow along, those questions go right along with the ones the teacher is doing in this video. That is that crazy lady, Mrs. McCarthy, and she's going to go through and talk to you about writing decimals as fractions and changing fractions to decimals. So you'll watch this video, follow along with part 1 here, and then here's the independent practice for part 1. Then you're going to do the same for part 2. In this video, you are comparing decimals, and then here you're going to follow along and the independent practice. There's no exit ticket today, but we will meet at 2 o'clock. Then on Thursday and Friday, we're kind of wrapping up topic 12. You're going to complete the review. There are 12 problems on pages 473 and 474. In our meeting, we will go over those problems so that you can check your work. And on Friday, you're going to log into Savas and complete the topic 12 test online. Please make sure, guys, that you have a separate sheet of notebook paper and you are solving each question, if you need to, on notebook paper. We will not have a 2 o'clock meeting today. And let me know if you have any questions about this week in math.